Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best drone for kids. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is Holystone HS340 Mini FPV drones. This drone is beautifully designed and features one key start, a must-try for those curious newbie drone enthusiasts. It is also interesting to fly and quick to master. The headless flight system guides the quadcopter directly through the controller, enabling pilots of any level to enjoy it. With its intelligent flight system, the drone easily performs waypoint and circle fly. Plus, its camera is designed to capture photos or video with a specified hand gesture. At the push of a button, the drone will flip and roll. The owner will be entertained for hours playing with this neat aircraft. The number 4 on the list is Dirk D20 Mini Drone. Kids can have endless fun with this drone. It provides HD pictures and live videos so you can watch what you're capturing as you go. The 720p HD Wi-Fi camera takes incredible aerial photos and videos, which you can view through the phone app. It will also provide great fun for adults too. It has a range of neat features. You'll find it super easy to use and control. It's full of helpful safety features, it can do cool flips, and it even uses voice control. This was designed with simplicity in mind. No one wants a new gadget that causes more stress than fun. It's super simple to use this. Thanks to the one key start and landing button, you can quickly get this drone in the sky. Then it has an altitude hold mode so that it stays exactly where you want it. The number 3 on the list is Holystone F181W 1080p FPV drone. This drone is a good pick for your older kids, ages 14 to 17. With a powerful 1080p 120-degree wide-angle HD Wi-Fi camera, the user can record their drone flights in superb quality. It features a one-key engine start and multiple speed control modes, making it great for both beginners and advanced pilots. The aircraft comes with a powerful motor and batteries. It also features controllable LED lights that can help find the drone at night. Moreover, what makes it a great drone is that it allows first-person view transmission of live videos captured by the drone itself into your mobile device by installing an app. The number 2 on the list is Drone for Kids. This foldable model is a good beginner's drone for older children and teenager. It features a 120-degree, wide-angle lens that can capture true color and panoramic views. It's great for parties, sports, adventures, or any outdoor activities. With the possibility of controlling it through your phone via Wi-Fi, it records high-definition images to be shared with friends. Because this drone's aerofoil and fuselage are made of sturdy and durable PA plastic, it's convenient for flying either indoors or outdoors. With the Wi-Fi real-time FPV transmission feature, the drone can be operated through iOS and Android via an app. The high-definition images can be viewed in real time while piloting this cool drone. The number 1 on the list is Potensic Upgraded A20 Mini Drone. This easy-to-fly drone is fast and agile, allowing a thrilling flight experience for both beginners and advanced pilots. One of the absolute favorites of parents, we love that it comes with an altitude hold function, which makes it easy to control the aircraft. For round propeller guards protect the drone upon collision, making it durable for kids to play with. It has an emergency stop button that quickly lands the drone if it experiences any issues. This is a great feature that ensures the safety of your children. This is a great drone for beginners. Because of the headless mode, it operates smoothly and easily, going where you aim it. It's also sturdy, and it handles hitting the ground or walls repeatedly without damage.